Good day, everyone. Today we are going to learn about point of views. Point of view is a position or perspective from which something is considered or evaluated. It is the eye through which you're telling the story, and using the point of view, you will know who is telling the story and what is your role as the reader. The first point of view is called first point of view. The storyteller in the first person narrative is either the protagonist relaying their experiences or a peripheral character telling the protagonist's story. So you as a reader is the one who is doing the talking. So if you're reading it in the perspective of protagonist, you are now the protagonist. So that's why in a singular, we use I, me, my, and mine. And then for the plural, we have we, our, and us. The next one is the second point of view. In the second person point of view, the reader is now part of the story. It is when the narrator talks to the reader directly. So, if you're the protagonist, you are now talking to someone else. And then that someone else is in the position or the receiver of your action is now considered a second person point of view. It is like when you're reading, the character in what you are reading or any literary piece is directly talking to you. That's why it's either in singular or plural. We have yours, you, and yourself. And lastly, we have the third person point of view. The narrator exists outside the event of the story and relates the actions of the characters by referring to their names and by the third person pronouns he, she, or they. Now, if you're reading a literary piece, you are just an audience. You are just an outsider based on the words that is used by the author. So that's why we have he, she, and it for singular. And then we have they and their for plural. That was we all. Thank you. See you next time.